right, Sam, so you chose Luxe Install. Just tell us why you chose London Linings.
I didn't really know who to go to, what to do. In fact, I was okay when the floor was just concrete. It was Snares who said we need to give it a bit of a spruce up. So I asked a friend who said, you got to go to London Linings. I got to be honest though, I had no idea it would be this much of a difference. I thought it might be concrete to polished concrete. This is like a whole new garage.
Thanks so much, Sam. I'm really glad you enjoy it.